I remember I got a phone call that they wanted to bring me on as a general laborer. So I was just super excited to be a part of the company. I could come here and learn while getting paid. And also I could get mentored by so many guys here, welders, painters, assembly guys, machinists, a ton of guys just saying, oh, this is how we do it in this industry. Here you get so much more experience and you get more of an opportunity to learn and grow. So what I've done in the machine shop is that I started out my first day, I tapped holes for these parts. There were 17 holes, but they were heavy parts and you had to flip them and then tap more holes. And then, I mean, it was an experience. I did that for the first week I was here and it was just exhausting. But then I just kept moving forward, unloaded and unloaded parts off the Ingersoll, just really learned like lathes and then CNC mills and then stuff like that. So really, I just kind of moved my way around to everyone to see how their perspective is on machining and how they think it should be done, or their perspective on how it works. So the AJAC classes, they help me here to know a general basis, like really basic stuff, how to read a blueprint, how a machine works, how measuring works, and then here it's on a bigger scale. So it really just translate over, it's just bigger. That's really all it was. So what helped me in the class was learning how to machine using a manual mill or a manual lathe. Really, it just flopped right over. I'm like, oh wow, this is really easy. Specifically, I love machining. I love getting that dialed in to the thousandth and having it perfect. I love doing that. I'm sort of a perfectionist, that's why. So working and then learning while being paid is exciting. So learning a whole bunch of new stuff, and then I apply that to my work to do a better job. And then at the end of the week, I get the paycheck and I'm like, oh wow, this is great. The journeyman means something to me that I can work anywhere in the country without any problem. It means that I've done the work, I've done the experience, I have the experience to do the work so that they don't have to completely retrain me to how it works in the shop. I can just have a general basis of stuff I know that I can bring to another shop in the country and then start work from there. Really just knowing how to work. That's really what I've gotten most out of it. Just staying busy, having a work ethic, being here on time, and then having a shift where you have to stay busy. I would definitely have to say it's been an experience. It's been a whole summer of just learning stuff. I can't really sum it up right now because there's just so much. I do it while I'm working. For my future, I think that I would stay with AJAC and get like my machining certificate so that I can become a full-time machinist here and then just work my way up from there.